Good morning, students. Let us continue with the fourth chapter of English grammar, that is articles. So, before going through the chapter, let us recall what we have discussed till now. So, we have discussed the kinds of articles which are definite and indefinite articles. We call the a definite article and a and n the indefinite articles. So here they are categorized as definite article and indefinite articles. But keep in mind, you are not supposed to put articles before any noun. There are some places where articles are omitted, means where articles are not used. So here today we will learn about omission of articles. Now we are going to learn the places where we will not use any articles. So first point is before proper nouns. As you are aware of the definition of proper noun, the name of a particular thing, place, person is known as proper noun, and before proper noun we never use any article. Like Delhi is a capital of India. Here India and Delhi are proper noun, and here we are not supposed to use any article, neither a nor an nor the. You will not write any article before proper noun. Second use is before abstract noun. Before abstract noun also you are not supposed to use any article. Honesty is the best policy. Here honesty is our abstract noun. Abstract noun is the noun which we can't see, which we can't touch, only we can feel them, we can realize them. So here honesty is abstract noun which can't be seen, which can't be touched, we can't be heard, we can only realize it. So here before abstract noun also we will never use any article. But when there is a preposition, this is exception of that rule. But when there is a preposition after a material noun or an abstract noun, definite article the is used before them. Like honesty is the best policy, we do not use the a or an article before it. But after honesty, if any preposition is written, the honesty of my friend is well known to all. Here of preposition is placed after an abstract noun. That's why here we are supposed to use article. The gold. Here gold is material noun and we never use any article before material noun. But here after gold in preposition is written. If preposition is given after material noun or abstract noun, then we will use definite article the before these nouns. Next is languages. We will not use any article before language. English is not an easy language. French is a difficult language. Here we are not placing any article before the languages. But exception of this rule is also there. If language word is mentioned after the language, then we will use definite article the here. The English language. Here language word is written after English. The English language is not an easy language. Here we have placed the before language because language word is mentioned here. If language word is not given, then we will not use any article there. But if language word is written after the language, then we will use definite article the before that noun. Next is before breakfast, lunch or dinner. There also we will never use any article. I always take my breakfast at 8 p.m. or 8 a.m. So here before breakfast we will not use any article. But here again there is an exception. I always take my breakfast at 8 a.m. Here we will not use any article. But when we are taking breakfast, lunch, or dinner at anyone's else home or at any hotel or restaurant, then we will use the article before there. Like in first sentence, it's my regular habit. That's why we have not used any article there. But if we are talking about any particular breakfast, lunch, or dinner given by anyone else, then we will use the article there, because we are talking about the particular dinner given by a person. Did you like the dinner given by Suresh? So here we are talking about the particular dinner given by particular person. That's why we are using the article before dinner. Games. Cricket is my favorite game. We play football every evening. So here also, before the name of any game, you will not write any article, neither a nor an nor the. Plural nouns. Before plural nouns, we will never use any article. Children are playing in the garden. So here children is plural noun. Here also we will not use any article. Name of countries like India, Australia, Brazil, China, America, Russia. So here we will never use any article before the name of the countries. But if the name of the country is ending with S or ES, then we will use the article. So here the rule and its exception both are given. Before the name of any country we are not supposed to write any article, but if that name is having S or ES in the end, then we will write the article before the name of that countries, like the Philippines, the Netherlands, the West Indies. Before plural nouns, states, kingdom, republic, emirates, union, coast, here also we will never use any kind of article. But here, as we are talking about, if S or ES is given at the last, then we will use article there. Uncountable noun. I love democracy. Sugar is sold by kilo. Are we having chicken for dinner today? I love chocolate. So here democracy, sugar, chicken, chocolate, they are used here as uncountable nouns. You can't count the sugar, you can't count the democracy. So here before uncountable noun also you will never use any article. Here also you will omit article. Universities. Before the name of any university you will not write any article. My son graduated from Harvard. I did my graduations from Oxford. He applied to Cambridge. Here the highlighted words are the names of university. So here you will not write any article before these names of universities. Names of mountains, the Himalayas. Here S or ES is mentioned at the last. So here we will use the article. Before the name of any school, college, temple, church, hospital, market, jail, prison, bed, etc., we are not supposed to use any article there. Now, we have learned the omission of article. Now there is turn of repetition of the article. There are some places when you have to repeat the article in the same sentence. Now we will learn where we will have to repeat the article. If I say I have a black and white dog, here in this sentence I mean to say about one dog which is having both color, black and white. Here two adjectives are used for one noun, that is dog. So here we will use one article. But if in any sentence two adjectives are used for two different nouns, then we will repeat the article. Like I have a black and a white dog. So here dog is not one, dogs are two in number. One is black and one is white. So here we will use a black and a white. Here the dogs are two and one black and the other white one. So we are supposed to use two articles before both of these adjectives. Black and white are adjectives. If they are indicating one noun, then we will use one article. If they are qualifying two different nouns, then we will use two different articles in the same sentence before the adjectives. Now look at these examples. Sir Surendranath was a great orator and statesman. Now noun is again only one. Orator and statesman, these are the two positions of the same person, two qualities of the same person. They are expressing orator and statesman is both talking about Surendranath. So we will use one article a here. These are on the committee, among others, a great economist and a great liar. So here we are talking about two person. One is economist and second is liar. So here we are supposed to use two articles. So here the article a will be repeated. We may either say the third and the fourth chapter. So here number of chapters are two. One is third and one is fourth. That's why we are using two articles before two adjectives. Chapter is one noun and third and fourth are two adjectives used for two different chapters. That's why we are using the article repeated. In expressing a comparison, if two nouns refer to the same person or thing, the article is used before the first noun only. Like he is a better mechanic than clerk. Here two nouns are used, mechanic and clerk, but they both are talking about one person. It is the quality of one person that he is a mechanic as well as clerk, but we are talking about one singular person. That's why we have used one article only, and that will be placed before first noun. He is a better poet than novelist. Here comparison is made between two nouns, but it is done for the same person. That's why again we have used only one article here. But if they refer to different person or things, the article must be used with each noun. Like he is a better mechanic than a clerk. Here the person are two, mechanic and clerk. That's why we will repeat the article a in both the sentence, both the noun, before the both noun. So here the poet and the dramatist have been honored. So here if the article we are placing before two nouns, it means we are talking about two person. The poet and the dramatist has been honored means it is only one person who is a poet and a dramatist as well. So here we have learned the repetition of the article. This is how you have learned the uses of different articles at different places, along with the omission of articles and the repetition of articles. Thank you.